Alrighty, we're hitting the turnpike and we've already got some pretty trucks with us here today, including a Domino's truck. I don't know why I couldn't get the name of it. Trying to look behind me and I can't. Yeah, we got it looks like maybe a next gen Kenworth's going with us. I couldn't tell. We got a Snyder tanker. Those things haven't ran ever since 2015. Might get another rail truck today. You might get two of them. And Domino's. You can't go wrong with Domino's. And that tanker, the last one. Well, the tanker, and then way behind the tanker is a flatbed. Well, those trucks. Oh, there's the next gen Kenworth or Peterbilt one right down there. That truck. Nice. So we do have a next gen with us finally. I've not filmed a next gen in a month actually. It would have been 4 weeks, but it turned to a month now. So I might actually get one here. And that is it. No, I didn't even notice there's 3 more down there. Okie dokie. So I guess we got, yeah, it's a weekend, so that's why it looks a little dead on the turnpike, but can't really do anything about that. Look at Amazon.
It's a lot bigger.
There's another truck. Here comes a Cascadia. Pretty Kenworth truck there. And we got that. Whoa, that's pretty.
Sun drops.
Oh Lord. The names they can come up with. So we have like, I'm not gonna ask what. So that's a truck stop. It always has been. And for some reason, there's trailers back there thinking it's a trailer depot. You got one semi back there resting, and you got trailers back there too. Sweet. Look at this. Oh, I filmed him. Oh, never mind, that was not him. That's a different truck. Now we got the fancy trucks out. We got the double ABF going. Got some trucks showing with us. We'll see what we run into. Comes a green truck. We got it all today, don't we? I think we do. Next gen Peter. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, there's like 2 or 3 more trucks back there now. Another next gen Peterbilt. What? Hey, we're back. I said we got some interesting trucks up there, including a Domino's. I've actually never, ever once in my life had a channel for a year now. I've never filmed a Domino's truck ever. Can you believe that? Because that is outrageous. I've never filmed a Domino's truck before, so it's crazy. A Snyder on the other side there. We're catching our first truck of the day. The trucks. Got a line of 4 pickup trucks going that way. Well, we caught our first group of cars. The next gen Kenworth there. Oh, and another one? Are you serious? Also, I'm hoping it's gonna be this Saturday. I haven't scheduled a time yet. I'm gonna hope it's this Saturday or Sunday or Friday one. The 2024 truck parade on paper. We saw the 2023 one last year. That one was beautiful. So let's see what the 2024 one brings this year. I'm excited. There goes a couple vehicles there. Go up to a truck stop. Maybe we'll have another semi-truck join us. Maybe two of them. Yeah, that's crazy. Got a Penske on the other side there. Let's see what's over at the truck stops today, shall we? There's a sign on the other side of the barrier. Look at that green one. Not that busy today. Oh, geez, hello. I did not see that truck at all. Well, there was a semi right there. I didn't even notice. That Mack truck. I'm looking at that rest area, and I see like a moving, truck. I look, and it's a Mack flapper getting on the turnpike from the truck stop. Back Anthem. Alrighty, we're still moving here. like an extra Peterbilt. Pretty cool right there. And there goes a Bay and Bay. Dude, the way those shadows reflect off the back of the trucks, it looks like they're freaking out. Yeah, we do have a few trucks ahead of us right now. Okay, I don't know what that was, but that's fine. Nice car, but interesting. That over there, a bunch of NASCAR trucks or something. Look at this. Yeah, being up high like this, we were able to see that truck a lot better than being down lower. Over there. Nice. There's trucks up there. Someone broke down. trucks. Alrighty, there's semi. Yeah, more trucks up here. Look like quite a few of them. Yeah, we got quite a few trucks up here now, boys. We got a couple more trucks up here. Looks like 3 more. Looks like I might have caught the Domino's truck too, possibly. So I might be passing that Domino's truck here. So if this makes you hungry, then yeah. But first we got load 1. I don't get it. Load 1, I guess that's a thing. I guess it's a company. I guess Load 1's a company, huh? Here comes Domino's. So like I said, if it makes you hungry, maybe skip this part of the video. If you haven't eaten dinner yet. Because seeing food trucks would make anyone hungry on YouTube. And we might have got the Next Gen Pete up there. So we got the Next Gen Pete, looks like, up there. Looks like maybe 1 or 2 trucks away. And then we got the Domino's. But hey, a Next Gen P would be nice for YouTube. We got Domino's here. Like I said, this will probably make me all hungry. Cause it's pizza. Look at that. That's a mushroom pizza. Ew. That's cool though. Domino's truck right there. That's actually pretty good. See one of those Domino trucks. Yes, we are in a truck, by the way. I didn't even mention that. But hey, Domino's. That's cool. And like I said, the next gen Peterbilt. Now don't quote me on this. I don't know if it's a next gen truck. I'm just assuming it is the way it looked when it passed us before we got on the turnpike. It's one truck away, so we got one other truck to pass, and then that truck's next. So if it's the next gen, then this will be a good video because we got a Domino's truck, which is, like I said, the first one I've ever filmed. I'm actually surprised we caught one on this turnpike. Actually, I'm actually really surprised, since they typically run in the cities because, well, is that a bus? So we got a bus going the other. No, that's going the other way. Yeah, the city bus going the other way. So you got buses going the other way. You got Domino's. Both of those are supposed to be operating in the city. Like, that's why they call them city buses. And I don't think there's a Domino's out here on the turnpike in the middle of nowhere. So this is a good video. A bunch of random vehicles in random spots today. How about it? Got a camper. Who likes going camping? That's cool. I'm not a big fan of going camping, honestly, because it's just, you know, that's why I never do it. But being in an RV, though, that'd be nice. Being in a camper, I would pretty much go camping so I can be in the RV. Because I love being in RVs. They look good. Alright, so we still got that next gen. It's that black truck up there. And then there's a truck beyond it. And a tow truck, possibly. And then we got a white one. So we got a lot of trucks now. And a tow truck. I wonder who wrecked the car. Who wrecked the car? So yeah, we got a lot of trucks. So this is a good video. I don't know what is on the window, but it's fine. I do not care. It's not affecting me, so I don't care what the heck's on the window. Nice Volvo. And I'm gonna be honest, I love passing by this exit. Because as I've said in I think maybe one or two videos I've done out here on the turnpike, this is the Kalahari exit. But it's called Sandusky, but I prefer to call it the Kalahari exit because, well, that's where we went. So that's where we went, was Kalahari. That's why I love seeing this exit ramp, because if you take that exit, instead of going the way I'm facing this way where the road goes that direction, you go the other way behind me, and then you'll land in the Sandusky area, or the Kalahari area. Is that that's like one of those Ego transport trucks next. Those usually are next-gen Kenworths. If you get lucky enough, they're normally next-gen Kenworths if you get lucky. And that one truck's passing another one. I hope we catch that one, because that's got to be a next-gen. You never know. Oh, that's a bumpy bridge today. And then we got a tow truck, we got two white trucks, and we got that black truck up there. And there goes a charter bus, a DC charter bus. Man, there's all kinds of good stuff. I'm telling you that right now. So if my thing is correct, this should be a next-gen Kenworth. This Ego, I can never pronounce it because it's weird. It's just EGO, Ego something. I don't know, and I don't care. As long as there's a truck at this point. If it's a truck, it's a truck. So that's good. That's all that really matters right now. Now we got a tow truck. Of course, it looks like it's going very slow. I might block that. This Ego truck. Yeah, I'm never gonna be able to pronounce that name, so it's fine by me. What we got over here? Harvard Lines going the other way. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. a second tanker breaks down? Oh, good. That's a pretty looking Pete. Oh, shoot. Oh, Jesus. That's a lot of smoke coming off that truck. Woohoo! Maybe that's why it broke down. Because it's smoking like crazy. The exhaust pipe. So we got this tow truck. Looks like he's going slower than that semi. With a Subaru. Subaru. We got a Subaru car on it here. And it looks like it's a Ram 3500. We got that, and we got that truck up here. There's the next gen Kenworth on the other side. How about them apples? Alright, here we go. We're catching more trucks. And we're catching that one, so we might get ourselves 2 next gens. Not really sure. We'll see. We get 2 in 1 here. We've actually had that happen on some turnpike videos, getting 2 next gens in 1, which is insane to see, but it's awesome. Okay, this is just a Cascadia. So, the truck in front of it may have train horns. It's a camper hauler. Literally, it hauls campers. And I'm about to get this window fixed. It's starting to get the whole window, but this is interesting. Well, I hope you guys heard that. It did honk. That's what the truck looks like. It's a Kenworth camper hauler. Hope you guys heard that. I heard it. Hope you guys did. I don't know what just got on the window now. Well, that was pointless. And what in the... Just broke down trucks everywhere, I guess. Alright. Dude, we got 2 more trucks. Now we got a truck pulling trucks. So you got a truck going the other way pulling 4 trucks. So you got a truck going our way with campers, and you got a semi going the other way with 4 trucks. And then you got broke down trucks everywhere. What a video, man. You got city buses, you got Domino trucks that don't belong out here. Like, because I don't think city buses are legally supposed to be on the turnpike unless they're going out for like a fun journey, but if they got people in it, then I don't, because I've never seen a city bus on the turnpike till now. Unless it's something new. Someone can let me know otherwise if it's new, but I've never seen a city bus out. I've only seen the charter buses, and that's about it. And then occasionally school buses. I've seen some school buses out here, which I guess they're allowed out here? I don't know. I've only ever seen semis out here, basically. Semis and cars. I don't usually catch buses out here unless I get lucky enough to catch a special random bus out here somewhere. And we got a small dump truck, a Swift, and we caught that one truck that may or may not be a next gen, Peterbilt. Not a Kenworth, but Peterbilt. So, unless it is a Kenworth and I was just seeing things, we'll see. But I hope you guys heard that truck. I really hope so. Hey, look, I filmed that truck. I tried to, but the camera ended. There was a familiar semi I know. Going back the other way, it's a Peterbilt Martin truck. It's a pretty one. It honked for me one time, but of course the camera ended and it didn't get that, which really sucks, but oh well. So we caught the next gen. Again, I'm assuming it's the next. Look at the green truck. Well, how come all the good trucks are coming out now? If I do this at nighttime going the other way, we don't get no fancy trucks. Really? We got Swift. That dump truck's just going in between them trucks. Got it. Swift Transport. This will be going up on YouTube, that's for sure. Look at this. What in the world? So you got trucks towing other trucks now. So you got trucks towing trailers, trucks towing cars, trucks towing trucks. And not like a tow truck, I mean actual semi 18-wheelers towing them. Look at this. That's cool. Alright, moment of truth. Is this the next gen? We caught the truck. Or is this looks like a Peterbilt, like a mad one with like train horns on it, basically. Is that what this is or not? I cannot tell. Looks like, I don't know. We'll find out. Well, yeah, that the window didn't even get fixed. Got it. Well, scratch that. I try. What the heck is that now? How come now I'm seeing all the interesting trucks? Alright, what do we got, boys? It looks like a next gen. We might got a next gen. I'm gonna hope so. I've got my fingers crossed that this is. If it is, then this is definitely going on YouTube. If it is, we'll see. It looks like it. That's a Meatborg? Don't know, don't care. Think it is, I can't tell. Yes, it is. We got ourselves a next gen Peterbilt. Look at that. Now that's a sight to see. Now that right there is a sight to see. Sweet. Perfect. So we caught both trucks, the next gen, the Domino's. Sweet. All right. And we got road work up here that's never been here before. Cause we did this Friday night, and believe it or not, there was no road work. Now they got it. Now. They usually don't do this till summertime where it's hot. It's still wintertime technically. Springtime don't start till my birthday on March 20th, so I don't know what they're planning out here. Unless they're getting everything ready, but it looks like they're actually working. Alright. And look like that might have been the last truck. I don't know. I might see another one up there. Yeah, there's more up there. I can see them all rounding the corner up there. Sweet. But this is new. I didn't even see this Friday night. Because it would be on both sides of the turnpike. Okay, so we ran into something new. Okie dokie. Yeah, more semi just ran to that corner, so got more trucks up there. Yes, we do. But yeah, like I said, this Saturday or maybe tonight, I'll try to do it as early as I can. Is the 2024 paper truck parade. The world's largest. And it did get larger. There was a lot more trucks that participated than last year. And I guess now you got like farming vehicles, construction vehicles, fire trucks, all kinds of stuff in it this year compared to last year. So I feel like this year's parade's gonna be interesting. But construction. Okie dokie. And no, it's not on the other side actually. Wait, what? Okay. That's odd. Maybe this was here Friday. I wasn't paying attention. Like I said, we got some trucks up there. This is so new. I can't believe they're working now. I figured they wouldn't start this till springtime. At least. Ah well. They want to put obstacles in our way, that's fine too. But nonetheless, it didn't slow us down any. We still caught some semis, which is the important thing. If accident or construction didn't slow us down and we're still catching trucks, I don't care how many obstacles there are on this turnpike. There could be a slow train on this turnpike for all I care. Cause we just caught, and actually I think it helped us, cause we just caught 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trucks in a row. 6. There's a 6th one going around that corner. It was hidden. And that's an Amazon. Nice. 6 trucks. Holy smokes. So we caught 6 trucks. In fact, it looks like another tow truck towing a car. 7. And they're all in a row. This will be a perfect. This is perfect. We've got lots of trucks to pass now and they're slamming brakes. They're slamming brakes. Oh God. Dude, they're snaking around the corner like a train. Jeez, dude, now this is gonna be worth it to pass. We've got many trucks up here now. Once we get a clear shot after all these cars go snaking around us, We've got trucks, and we still got construction. This will be perfect. Any more cars want to come sneaking up around us at the last second? No? Nice. Works for me. No cars? It's gold time. Yeah, I said go, but I don't know why. I feel like I said gold or something. Here we go. We got more trucks, boys. Lots of them. So here we go. All right. Let's see. We got a Kenworth. Kenworth T600. We got a Kenworth. Got a box truck. Man, this is great. We've just caught the jackpot today. What the heck is on the side of that truck? Got it. Something new. Dude, we still got trucks and we still got construction. This is a good video. Not gonna lie. Amazon. Woohoo! Yeah. Nice. What you got? Looks like you got some Ford F-150s on there, don't you? And that's an old car right there. An old, I don't know what that was, but that was cool. Ancient history, boys. That's what that was. But we still got 3 more trucks. After we pass this one, we're gonna have 2 more. This is good. All right. The end of the construction's coming up too, but that ain't gonna stop us. Look at that. That's a pretty one on the other side there. It's all red. Nice. Alrighty. And a tanker truck just joined the convoy. Because I see a tanker up there too. That truck's got no dirty. What a good video, not gonna lie. Is that a Challenger? I think that's a Challenger up there. I haven't seen one of those in a long time at all.
Space shuttles up there?
You got a Challenger up there. Or is that an Amazon? I think that's Amazon up there that truck's passing. Or is that a Challenger? I can't tell. It's one of those two up there.
Challenger blew up.
So we have 2 more semis. And I think one of them, if we pass it, is the next gen Kenworth. I'm not gonna guarantee it, but it's the second one getting over right now. It's the second truck that just merged lanes. It might be a next gen Kenworth. So we might get a next gen Kenworth in this video too, guys. So with just luck. That's what we need, luck. Bravo! Alright, what do we got here? So this is not a challenge truck. I thought this was a Challenger, but it's not. Another broke down vehicle. What is happening? What are y'all doing out here on the roads? Really? Oh my lord. Yeah, boost your trucking. Got it. But good lord, y'all be breaking down today. Alright. Yep, he's up there. That next gen Kenworth's up there. So we got a next gen Kenworth, I'm assuming. So we got this truck, this Cascadia, and then we got, I believe it is a next gen Kenworth, and we're getting close to the exit. So this is gonna be a tight one, boys. But I think we can do it. We haven't gotten screwed yet. Literally. So if you guys are enjoying more turnpike stuff, I know it's been an absolutely long time since we've done one of these, but we're back in the swing of things, we're back on it. And the amount of trucks, beautiful. So here we go. One more truck. As long as this guy don't take the exit. Guy's got a load over there, that's cool. The tanker truck's exiting, but I don't care about that. That is... Oh yeah, that's not a next gen. That's a Cascadia. Yeah, that truck in front of us is a Cascadia. Got another truck getting on from the truck stops up there too. Good lord, it's semi-trucks everywhere. There goes the tanker. I was wondering where the tanker truck went. I was like, where'd the truck go? How come there's more trucks over here than what was at the last truck stop? And a green Kenworth's over there, and I think there's a truck leaving. Can't see. Yeah, there's like 2 more trucks getting on the turnpike right now. Holy smokes. Yeah, that's not... Yeah, that wasn't a next-gen Kenworth, actually. Now that we're closer to the truck. But we had a good video. This is good. Where does that car think he's going? We got a Ford Taurus going back the other way on a side street down there you guys saw. And it leads to that truck stop over there. Is he gonna try to get into the truck stop off the... Okay, if you... Now I'm kind of curious if we can do that. But there's a little road over there to where that truck stop is back there, and that's crazy. All right, that was fun. I had lots of fun there. You can see that truck like turning its truck. Did he get too close to the machine? Okie dokie. This video's got everything, dude. I'm being serious. Yeah, we had lots of... Who bent the gate? What idiot bent the gate? They're supposed to be like that, not bent.
Oops, my bad.
Crazy. So yeah, every time we got the turnpike now, I've got something to show you guys. A bent gate. That's funny. All right, hope you guys did enjoy. That's a good way to wrap it up, is showing you guys a bent gate. What idiot tried, like... My question is, how do you drive a car into a bent gate? Seriously. But alright, enough chitter-chatter. Hope you guys did enjoy. That was fun. And yeah. Hey, look! Going up there. Mr. Broke Down Car. Nice, alright. Hope you guys did enjoy. And I will see you guys here for another journey on the turnpike, continuing that way. So I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.